I'm at a town called Tambo, which is halfway between Charleville and Blackall. It's not very widely known, but this is the town of Qantas' first plane crash. On the 24th of March 1927, a Qantas de Havilland DH9C was on a regular route between Charleville and Mount Isa, with Tambo being its second destination. It intended to land at Tambo's clay pan strip, where witnesses say the plane suddenly dived into the ground. All 3 men on board perished. This monument stands as tribute to the men that lost their lives in that day, and the men are currently buried in Tambo's cemetery. Just arrived at Barcaldine, staying at the Shakespeare Hotel in the main street of town, just across the road from the Tree of Knowledge. So it'll be a nice place to stay tonight. Ride from Charleville today up through Blackall. It was pretty hot. I saw a couple of emus on the side of the road. A bit worried the bastard was going to run into me. They were big bastards too. So anyway, here it's safe and sound. Once again, there was a few dead skippies on the road, but anyway, here we are in Barcaldine.